As with any major change, going electric brings uncertainty. Do you feel that you have all the answers to all your questions? As experts of the transport industry, Renault Trucks Financial Services proposes tailor-made solutions with electromobility adapted conditions. Depending on your requirements, we adapt the truck and the number of batteries needed. We also adapt the duration of the servicing and finance contracts accordingly. We can provide financing options that consider all of your needs. We want to support you to operate your truck safely without any unexpected surprises. At Renault Trucks, one monthly fixed payment can typically include the chassis, the body, the service and maintenance contract, and the financing and insurance. Depending on local legislation, it may even be possible to include the cost of the charging infrastructure. We understand the governmental and local incentives available in each country, and we can manage them, bringing simplicity and peace of mind for our customers. We are flexible, and we can adapt to any changes or new requirements. We can also anticipate vehicle replacement and manage the vehicle and battery life cycle. Now you know. What are you waiting for?